There we go. Daracoop. Daracoop. It's a pickerel. And he out right on time, baby. Get that chain pick chasing it. I think somebody will chase it. We got this joker to chase it. Quit twerking on me. Look at that beauty. Still pretty fish, man. There we go. There we go. Get him on the crank. Come on, dude. Really? Stop being buck wild and let me get you. Hit him on that side at least, guys. Get him off. Oh, there we go. That Daracoop. Daracoop, guys. It's an active one. Let him go where you want to go is all you got to do. Work that fish around that boat. Just got to work him around that boat, top drop. Sometimes you got to let him do what he want to do, guys. Work him around that boat a little something, something. And you won't lose him. Let these active fish do all that dancing and just work them around the boat a little bit. Hit them in the mouth with that Daracoop, boy. Sometimes I gotta be a track star like Usain Bolt. Sometimes. Oh, there we go. There we go. What was that? Who's that, top drop? You make them dance out here, boy. Get off my rod. We make them dance. And the little dinks be twerking out here hardcore. Like they on the pole getting 10s and 20s. 10s and dubs for twerking, for top drop. Hit him with the Jimmy Hugh top drop. Ew. Damn. Oh, top drop, top drop. Is that a good one? That must be a good one. That's a good one. Still win. Not today. Not today, Bubba. We'll hit the track star mode. They good or they just... I'll pounce on you, baby. I'll pounce on you. Hit them with the Jimmy Hugh. You're acting bigger than what they are. Hey, let's get it. Top drop.